Maria Bone. I am going to talk to you about the yapingacho. The ingredients: circular potato, peels, and cooked into medium paste. 2 tablespoons oil, media cup with onion file chips, 2 teaspoons ground achiote, 1 pulp grate or crumble, salt to taste. This is my recipe to prepare the traditional Ecuadorian repingachos. Repingachos are a typical Ecuadorian dish consisting of mashelled potato tortillas stuffed with cheese, which are then cooked in a pan or on a flat grill until golden brown on two sides. They are excellent for breakfast or as start about at the same time a good plain of yapingachos can be complete meal when served with peeled soup, fried egg, soup or chorizo, avocado, onions, and tomato soup, and ají. This recipe is very delicious and I like.